The National Testing Agency has released the NIFT 2024 application form. Candidates can fill the online form at the official website nift.ac.in. If you are interested in pursuing a career in fashion design, technology, or management, then you should apply for the NIFT Entrance Exam 2024. In this video, we will guide you through the steps of filling out the online application form. Let's get started. The first step is to register yourself as a new candidate. Visit nift.ntaonline.in and click on the New Candidate Registration Here tab. You will be redirected to a page where you need to read the instructions carefully and click the checkbox and click Here to Proceed button. On the next page, enter your personal details such as your name, father's name, mother's name, email ID, etc. to complete the registration process. After entering the details, verify them once again and click on the Submit button. Upon entering required details, you will receive an OTP on your registered email ID, which you need to enter on the next page to complete the registration. Once you do that, you will get your application number and password, which you need to note down and keep safely. You will also receive a confirmation email with your login credentials. The next step is to fill the application form with your academic, contact, and exam details. To do this, you need to log in with your application number and password on the official website. You will see a dashboard with your application status and various tabs. Click on the Complete Application Form button to proceed. On the next page, you will see your personal details that you entered during the registration. Verify them once again and click the checkbox and Save and Next button. Verify all the details mentioned in the application form of NIFT 2024 and submit it. Further, provide contact and Aadhaar details. Next, select the course you want to apply for and preferred exam centers. You can choose from 4 courses: Bachelor of Design, Bachelor of Fashion Technology, Master of Design and Master of Fashion Technology. After selecting the course and exam center, click the Save and Next button. Now enter your qualification details and upload the scanned copies of your 10th certificate and 12th mark sheet or provisional certificate. Next, upload the following details such as photo, signature and 10th certificate and click Save and Next button. Finally, review your application form and submit it. You will see a preview of your application form with all the details you've entered. You can edit any detail by clicking on the Edit Application Form button. If everything is correct, then you need to click on the checkbox and the final Submit button. You will receive a confirmation message on the screen and on your email. The last step is to pay the application fee, which is Rs 3,000 for general and OBC candidates and Rs 1,500 for SC, ST and PWD candidates. You can pay the fee online through debit card, credit card, net banking or UPI. That's all in today's video. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button. And for any other questions, please drop a comment.